Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very unique at the same time, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, a very creative and unique style patterns of hand embroidered shoes, hand embroidered bags, hand embroidered pouch, hand embroidered clutch, hand embroidered ladies purse. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, all of these bags and hand embroidered shoes are very soft, lightweight, portable. You can also embroider these patterns onto your already in use old bags, old shoes, and you can renew your already used accessory by making these very beautiful embroidery patterns and give a very unique and creative look to your hand embroidery art and your fashion sense as while at the same time. So if you want to get more creative, stylish, trendy and amazing ideas related to women fashion, then kindly do follow us and do subscribe us and watch our videos daily, because on our daily basis we share a very beautiful, trendy and DIY stuff with you. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.